So heading out to Center Island. It's Canada Day. We are all heading to Jack Layton Ferry Terminal. So guys, here we are almost at Center Island. So the best part is if you take the water taxis, the inbound trip to Toronto is free. So we took the water taxi. It's like $10 to go, and then by coming back you take the bigger boats which are free. Toronto Island. I'm walking with my father, and it's amazing. It's a lovely day, and we are walking actually to the Franklin's Children's Garden, I think. Just visited the pier and heading back to Toronto. We'll take the ferry, go back to the city where my car is parked, and then we'll head back home. This was my first real vlog attempt, so I hope you like it, and if you like my effort, please do subscribe and hit the like button. That will give me a lot of encouragement. Thank you.